Hi students, this is Vidyadri College. So Science College, Science College. So what are the special qualities of this college? So especially we all experienced lecturers joined together and started a science college. This is purely a science college, students. So if you have desires to fulfill your desires and your parents' desires, you select science, that too in Vidyadri College. So I am maths lecturer, students. So my name is Venkatesh P. So I got more than 20 years experience. I did my MSc in 1996. You think of that year. So I completed my MSc in 1996, 1996. So since then I have been in this profession only. So right, students, so maths is so easy. Maths is so easy subject. Maths is dead easy subject. Unlike other subjects, that is physics, chemistry, biology. If anybody asks, define biology, you have an answer for that. If anybody asks, define physics, again there is ready answer for that. So even answer is ready for other subject also. But if anybody asks, define maths, there will be no answer for that, because maths is mother of science. Maths is mother of science. Is there a definition for mother, students? No. So maths is mother of science. All other subjects are like children of maths. So usually maths is not at all a subject. Maths is not at all a subject. So it is a language for science. Science basically starts from maths only. So those students who have ideas about this maths, they feel science as so easy. One thing I would like to tell students, what is the key point for anybody's success? What is the key point? Key point for anyone's success. The only answer for that is hard work. If you work hard in right path, you can achieve whatever you wish. Otherwise, you cannot. 99% of the students, they have desires, aspirations, so that they want to become doctor, engineer, or whatever it is. But the thing is, why they get failures? So why they won't get success means they won't work properly. They won't work properly in proper way. That is the main reason. Whatever you learned so far doesn't matter. Whatever you learn year afterwards matters. Whatever you learned so far doesn't matter. Whatever you are going to learn year afterwards matters, because this decides your future. Decide today itself. Don't go for today. Decide now itself and start working. Surely, so you will achieve your goals. We people are just like supporters, pushers. We push. If you are ready, we push. So up to any level. We push up to any level. But the thing is, you people should climb up. People should be reach that place. So last class, maths, I told you students, maths is so easy subject. So nothing is there. So maths, so all that maths needs all that maths requires is so wasting of your waste time. Wasting of your waste time. Waste time means when you are eating, you can work. So just eat in one hand, so work in other hand, so that you can make use of that waste time. When you are listening music, so keep listening music and work maths. You can save the time. When you are watching TV, so you keep working maths. When you are so talking with your friends or your parents, work maths. Use your waste time, so surely you will become masters of maths. Masters of maths. Maths is a dead easy subject, so it requires only hard working. Further, one thing I would like to tell you, students, so if I see, one thing I would like to disclose, so that is, you see that recent annual exams results, maths results, so I am proud to say that maths result, so 20 hundreds, in that recent annual exam, 20 students scored 100 out of 100. So right, one more point, 1599s. More than 100 students scored more than 90. More than 100 students scored more than 90. So good job, good work, students. The only thing is show interest. Even you inform your friends to select Vidyadri College, because so I am with you to teach maths and to score more hundreds. To score even more than 100, but they award only 100. Thank you, students. Instead of wasting time, let us start. So basically, first I would like to start basics of maths. Whatever you learned, so let us start that. So let us start that class, students. So right, firstly, so right, so solving, suppose solve for x. You keep separate notebook and practice all these in that. Students. So solve for x. So 2x minus 1 is equal to, so 0. First question is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Solving means finding x. So right. So 2x. If I set minus 1 right side, it becomes plus 1. So how much is x, students? X is equal to, some students will write 1 minus 2. Writing 1 minus 2 not correct. It is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Bring that down. So what is the value of x, students? 1 by 2. So right. So multiples should be brought down. If you have doubt, so put x is equal to 1 by 2 in this. So you are going to get LHS is equal to RHS. Cross checking. So for any of your doubt, you can go for cross checking. That it is there in maths, it is there in science. That is the reason why this science is original. So here no imagination, nothing. Whatever it is, we will write and show. We will show. It is practical, right? So next question. 2 plus x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 plus x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. So write x plus 3 plus 2, it is 5, is equal to 1 by 2. So 3x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 2. You send that 5 right side. So you send that 5 right side. X is equal to 1 by 2 minus 5. 1 by 2 minus 5. LCM, students, LCM. You learned that finding LCM very well in your lower classes. Find out LCM. So x is equal to, what is LCM of these two students? 2. So write 2. You learn the original LCM. So LCM of these two is 2. So if you have doubt, find out aside. So right, you divide this 2 by 2. This 2. So you divide this 2 by 2. 2 ones are 1 remains. Multiply that 1 with this 1. 1 ones are 1. Minus divide this 2. Divide this 2 by 1. 1 divides 2. How many times? 2 times. 2 5s are 10. So 1 minus 10. It is minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2. I hope you are understanding, students. So otherwise some students go for cross multiplication. 1 ones are 1, 5 2s are 10. All divided by 2, 9 by 2. Let us solve one more question. So one more question. So write. So 2x plus, so 5 is equal to 5 by 2. 2x plus 5 is equal to 5 by 2. Send that 5 right side. So 2x is equal to 5 by 2 minus 5. 5 by 2 minus 5. Again LCM. What is LCM of these two students? 2. So 2. Cross multiply. 1 5s are 5 minus 5 2s are 10. So right, 5 minus 10. It is minus 5 by 2. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Whereas 5 minus 10 is minus 5 by 2. So 2x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So tell me x value, students. So right, instead of bringing these 2 down and going for reversing, instead of bringing this down and going for reversing, directly do this. Direct method. Multiply. You cross multiplication. 2 2s are 4. You bring the 2 directly down. So right. So this implies x is equal to minus 5 by 4. We got x value. Let us solve some more questions of this type, students. So right. So one more question is, so 3x by 2 plus 7 is equal to, so 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. So next question is, so write 3 by 2. Solve for x. Solve for x. Solve for x. So we have x. X is appearing in this term. You can see that x in this term. Keep this term. Keep the term containing x here only. Send the other terms to right side. So 3x by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 minus 7. 3 by 2 minus 7. Find out LCM. LCM. What is LCM of these two students? 2. So LCM is 2. So cross multiply. Cross multiply. 1 3s are 3 minus 7 2s are 14. 14. 3 minus 14. How much is 3 minus 14, students? Minus 11. Minus 11 by 2. So that is 3x by 2 is minus 11 by 2. So I think, look at this, students. 2 get cancels. Why? These two are getting cancelled. Means if I cross multiply, 2 goes to numerator. Numerator 2, denominator 2 can be cancelled. Numerator 2, denominator 2 can be cancelled. So okay, students, 2 get cancelled. So that implies 3x is equal to minus 11. X is equal to minus 11 by 3. Minus 11 by 3. So I hope you are understanding. Let us solve one more question. So one more question. So that is, so 5x by 2 minus 7 minus 8 is equal to 5. So x by 2, x by 3 minus 11. Look at that given equation, students. Look at that simple equation. We have x term. X is appearing both on left side as well as on right side. We want x. We are thinking of getting x. You bring all the terms which contains x to one side. x0 terms ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತನ್ನಿ. So you send the terms which does not contain x to other side. So right, that implies 5x by 2. Bring that x by 3 this side. Minus x by 3. Send this minus 8 right side. You send minus 8 right side. 8 minus 11. Here you find out LCM or x is common or find LCM. What is LCM of 3 and 2? 6. 3, 2. So what is LCM of 3 and 2? 3 ones are 2. So 2 ones are 3 2s are 6. LCM is 6. So right now go for. So divide this 6. Divide this 6 by 2. 2 3s are 2 3s are 3 5s are 5 3s are 15x minus divide this 6 by 3. 3 2s are 2 into x 2x. So is equal to 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11. How much is 8 minus 11? Minus 3. Minus 3. Be careful. Minus 3. Right. I hope you are understanding this. So right. 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 3 2s are 2x. 8 minus 11 minus 3. Yes. Cross multiply. 15x minus 2x. 13x is equal to 6 3s are 18. Minus 18. So right. Cross multiply. 6 3s are minus 18. X is minus 18 by 13. Minus 18 by 13. I hope you people are understanding, students. So I write some more problems of the same type. Practice it. So solve that and bring that when you come to the college. So write solve for x. So write that. Solve for x. First question, 2x plus, so 5 is equal to 11 minus 1 by 2. Second question, so x minus 5 by 2 plus is equal to, so 3x plus 1. Next question, so 5x by 3 minus 11 is equal to 7. Next question, so x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 7 by 4. 7 by 3. So next question, so 5x minus so 22 is equal to x minus plus, so right, 31. So next question, so right, so 7x 7 plus x is equal to 1 by 2. So next question, so right, so 13 by 2 minus x is equal to, so right, 4. So next question, so right, 5x, so 11x plus 7 plus 28 is equal to 3x minus, so 51. So right. One more question. So 9x by 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to, so 5x by 3 minus 1. So right. Last question. So right. So 5 plus, so right, 30 minus x. So is equal to 15 minus 3x minus 3x. You solve all these questions, friends. More practice. If you practice more, solving more problems, you will learn so more. That you will become masters of maths. So you need not to worry about maths, students. I help you. I always with you. I always stand by you. So in order to score good marks in maths. Thank you, students. Let us stop this class. We shall continue. So from the next class onwards. Thank you.